Hi, hello, welcome to Techbox, a list of top frequently asked CCNA. What is routing?
Routing is a process of finding a path to transfer data from source to destination. Routing can be performed in a variety of networks such as circuit switched networks and computer networks. In packet switching networks, routing makes a decision that directs the packets from source to the destination. Routing makes use of a routing table, which maintains the routes of various destinations.
Types of routing.
Static routing. Static routing is a routing technique where an administrator manually adds the routes in a routing table. Static routes are used when the route selections are limited. Static routes can also be used in those situations where the devices are fewer and no need to change in the route configuration in future. Dynamic routing. Dynamic routing is a routing technique where protocols automatically update the information of a routing table.